5.2 Operation Regulations. Warning: Main class handle must be in natural position before start of the engine. Main class handle must be in natural position before start of the engine. 2. Start engine. Check whether every part are normal. Then run the harvester at low speed. If there are problems, then solve them at once. Three. Reintroducing when the harvester starts. Change directions and backward. Ask people around to keep away from the machine. 4. Keep away from stones and stops in operation to protect header and claws from damage. 5. Stop the machine often to check claws. No operation is allowed when claws or fetchings are damaged. 6. Feed quantity of the harvester is limited. Harvesting speed is different according to detailed conditions of coins. Therefore, we should firstly apply low speed and increase the speed slowly. Operators should control handles flexibly and make sure that the cutting machine is suitable for the field. Note: 1. Check claws and pin shafts before use back to the field machine. 2. No check, maintenance, and impurities cleaning are allowed during running of the back to the field machine. 3. No people are allowed to stand at the back of the machine during operation. 4. Belt protective cover cannot be opened or taken off during operation. 5. Lift the machine when turned directions or backward. 6. Claws and fetchings are forbidden to be used to bump the field. 8. When the harvester is arriving at the end of the field, don't slow the speed at once. It is suggested that high speed should be reserved for some time to make sure that straws are fully cut. 5.3 Safety regulations before and after use. 1. The operator must be in a good condition to operate. He is not allowed to be drunk, tired, lack of sleep, etc. 2. No operation is allowed after disassemble of protective covers. 3. The operator should observe running conditions of the machine at any moment. If there are problems, they solve them at once. 4. No troubleshooting is allowed to be taken before the machine stops completely. 5. During running directions, change of the fields, and long-distance transportation, the harvester must be separated from the power. 6. Only the driver is allowed to operate the machine during operation. 7. Medium speed is applied during change of the fields and long-distance transportation. 8. Clean the radiator and inject cold water when the engine temperature is over 95 centigrade. 5.4 Regulations for the stop of the machine. Before stop, make sure that grains in the two small conveyors are transferred to the tank and lift the back to the field machine.